Welcome to Jessi Fit Pilates, your home to strengthen, stretch, and smile. Welcome to my beginner classical mat series. It is March and I am celebrating March Matness. March Matness is a celebration of the classical Pilates exercises that Joseph H. Pilates wrote or discovered or invented about 100 years ago. So these are pretty much the exercises Ramana taught to me. And the advantage of doing this, it's always good to know your history. I will be teaching in flat back today. If that's not suitable for you, you might not want to do this workout. And of course, if something doesn't feel right, just leave it out. I'll be doing an intermediate variation. I'll also show some modifications at the top. So just look out for that little window. We're going to get started on the mat today. One of the great things about this is in 5 or 6 minutes, you can have just an awesome ab workout. If there's an exercise that you want to do more repetitions of, then just go ahead, stop the video and do it again. Let's start laying back and just flatten your spine to the mat and see if you can just bring those legs up and then see if you can extend them. Lift your head to your chest, float the arms up, drop the shoulders off the ears, and start your hundreds. Today, let's keep your lower back really in the mat. Breathe in, and my heels are together and my toes are apart. Breathe out. If you lower the legs, it's going to get harder for your lower back to stay down. And it's called hundreds because we do 10 breaths in, 10 breaths out. That's 4. Breathe in. Remember, stay high if it's too much on your back. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last 3. Get longer through your legs. Get tighter through your abs. Soften your shoulders. 2 more. Last one. Now, I'm going to softly take my legs down, take my heels down rather, and then I'm going to come right up for this beginner variation of a roll down. So I'm tucking my tail forward as I round back and then round up. So this is a pretty beginner variation. If you're just starting, if you want to make this a little harder, you can straighten the legs. Come back onto my mat. Think about really segmenting one spine over the other. You can always keep the knees a little bent. And then finally, hands back, tuck the tail, roll forward, stretch. That's the full version. So pick your poison. Like I said, just a quick few 5-6 minute ab workout. Today, hands are going to stay down now at your sides. Take that right leg up. We're going to take a quick stretch. Arms stay at the sides. I'll show a really beginner version at the top. Leg circles. We're just going to do 6 in each direction today. I'm anchoring that bottom leg down. My spine's pretty neutral. Ramana used to make us do this flat. It's impossible, and I don't actually think it's great alignment for my back. And now other direction. The bigger you make the circle, the harder it gets. Try to keep that leg straight up. Last 3, right? There's no weight on my neck. My palms are really pressing down. And 1. Scissor the legs. Plant that bottom leg down. Pull that up leg in. Lengthen everything. Hollow out your belly. 6 in each direction. My bottom ankle's really anchoring down. I'm trying to keep both sides of my torso really long. 3. Circle on that ceiling. 2. 1. Now other direction. Exhale and inhale. Right? Really use your core as much as you can here. 4 more, guys. Breathing. 3, 2, 1. We're going to lower the leg, sit on up, do a roll up if you can, slide forward, rolling like a ball. Balance if you can, 1 vertebra at a time, rocking back, never rocking onto the neck, breathing in and out. Use that breath, exhale up, inhale back, right? I'm trying to stay in this tight little ball shape. Check out the modifications in the window above. 1 more time. We're going to plant the feet down, slide your hands down, slide your hips back, right? And then bend 1 knee in. I've got my right knee in. If you're mirroring me, it's going to be your left. Flat back today. Let's stay high to start because it is a beginner workout. Point. Here's the breathing. Inhale. Inhale. Exhale. Exhale. Head can always stay down if this is too much on your back. Now making it lower will make it harder. Breathe in, out. out. Now, you can rest really quick, but then right up. Inhale, exhale. High will be easier, low will be harder. Give me 4, 3, now a little harder, circle, then bend. Reach the arms back first, circle, bend, very classic. One more time. Quick neck rest, legs up. And today I'm gonna throw scissors in, but I'm gonna keep them small because I feel like a lot of times people are doing this with too big of a move and then their backs go crazy. So this is one I really like in flat back. 4, 3, breathe in, out, and out. Now lower those legs down. I'm gonna come back onto the mat. I like mat width apart here. Bend the knees if you need to. I'll show a few modifications. Sit as tall as you can. They used to come behind us with a ruler basically and see how straight we were sitting. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. So one vertebra at a time. I'm really trying to segment the spine. I don't have the most flexible upper back. And then really use that breath. Exhale. Inhale. I was taught with the arms high, but I've also seen it down. A little more hamstring. 4 more for me. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Thank you so much for being here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, especially if it's your first time here, so you can keep up with my 2 weekly workouts per week. If you have anything that you'd like to see next, make sure that you comment below. You can also follow my everyday life on Jessi Fit Pilates on Instagram.com. I hope you enjoyed this workout. It's my beginner classical series in celebration of March Madness. Thank you to Benjamin Degenshine for creating this. I will leave some information about that below, and I will see you on the flip. I will be uploading a video every day for the month of March for March Madness. Thank you.